In the Delhi Higher Judicial Service, direct recruitment to 25% of posts are made from amongst the members of the bar who have completed 7 years practice at the bar. The minimum age for entry is 35 years and the maximum age is 45 years. The main contention of the writ petitioner before the High Court was to include the 15 years practice at the bar. If a candidate joins at the age of 35 years and retires at the age of 60 years, if not elevated to the bench of the High Court, he would not be able to get full pension. As for getting full pension, one should have 33 years of service, whereas the total service rendered by a member who joins at the age of 35 years will be 25 years of service. The High Court on the administrative side brought this fact to the notice of the government by writing a letter in the year 1987. Though repeated reminders were sent to the government, no decision was taken by the government till the end of 2005, and only on 2nd February 2006 by a later government has indicated that it was agreeable to give weightage of 7 years of practice at the bar while computing the pension and other retiral benefits for direct recruitments. Learned Counsel appearing for the state contended that the reason why government has agreed to give weightage of 7 years practice at the bar is that because in the case of direct recruitments to the Delhi Higher Judicial Service, a member should have 7 years practice at the bar, and that is why government thought it fit to give service. A member should have seen 7 years practice at the bar, and that is why government thought it fit to give weightage of 7 years. Learned Counsel appearing for the first respondent association submitted that the High Court was right in directing the government to give weightage of 15 years practice at the bar while computing pension and other retiral benefits, because otherwise most of the members of the Delhi Higher Judicial Service would not be able to get full or adequate reasonable pension at the time of retirement. It is also submitted that better conditions of service should be made available to the persons who are direct promotees from the bar, otherwise the best talent would not be attracted for selection. Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent number 1, High Court of Delhi has also brought to our notice the fact that the request was made by the High Court in the year 1987, and despite repeated reminders, government has acceded to the request only in the year 2006 by its letter dated 2nd February 2006. It is also brought to our notice by the Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent number 2 that in the states of Punjab, Haryana and Gujarat, weightage of 10 years practice at the bar is given in the case of direct recruits while computing pension and other retiral benefits. The period of 7 years practice at the bar is to be added because the minimum qualification to enter into the Delhi Higher Judicial Service as a direct recruit is 7 years practice at the bar. Learned Counsel for the state submitted that if 15 years practice at the bar is added, then there is an apprehension that after joining the Delhi Higher Judicial Service and working for a shorter period, members may quit the job because even after working for a shorter period, they will get the proportionate pension if their past practice of 15 years at the bar is added. Having regard to the facts of the case and having heard Learned Counsel for the parties, we deem it appropriate that 10 years practice at the bar or such other number of years, whichever is less, could be added while computing pension and other retirement benefits in the case of a direct recruit to the Delhi Higher Judicial Service.